Who will go shopping? Mano ban let thiet jing thiet. He will go after sometimes. Ma'u un let sa shaphang. Why do you need something? Balay pidan kam ai. I want to buy rice and potato. Ngakwa ban thiet khao wat pan. How much rice and potatoes should I buy? Ngan thiet kat nu u khao bat u pan. Buy rice 5 kilograms and potato 1 kilogram. Thiet khao san kilo bat u pan shi kilo. Do you have meat at home? Pidan do hayeng. No, I don't have it anymore. Em ngam dan shura. Should I buy meat too? Hatu ngan thiet do ru. No need to buy it. Dan kam ban thiet aka. I eat meat only twice a week. Ngabam do tang arsien shtayo. How can you swallow the rice? Kumno pila ngot yakaja. It has become my habit. Kala long ka jinglen jonga. You are a broad-minded person. Pilong ubriyo bayar jingmot. How much money do I have to take with me? Nganap ra katno tingka kapisa. Do you have 1,000 rupees? Pidan shihajar tingka? Yes, I have more than that. Oh, ngadan bun banya kata. Okay, go and buy it now. Dokia let thiet no manta. At what time will you return? Hakapor kat no biji pin wan pai. I will return on evening. Nan wan pai por janmiet. Can you come earlier than that? Pilap wan pai kam kloya kata. What are you going to cook? Pimut ban shat ayu. A boiled potatoes with lentils nga shat sarwa upan baludai. Why don't you fry it? Balay pim shusde eka. He likes eating boiled. Usngo bang bam sarwa. Can you eat boiled? Pila ban bam sarwa. I eat only sometimes. Nga bam tang teng teng. Do you know how to fry? Pinang kumno ban sdia? I know, but it is not tasty. Nganang tang bakam bangra. Whenever my mother fry vegetables, manba imay nga is dichur, the vegetable is very tasty. Ujhor ubang shabapalan. I usually eat 2 plates of rice. Man kapor nga bam arpliang kaja. If my father cooks, lara shet ipa. It is tasty but very spicy. Kabang bha tang ba kasat bha. My grandmother cannot eat it. Imi eat jonga imla ban bam yaka. What are you doing? Pidang le ayu. I am cooking food. Nga dang shet jingbam. Can you help me? Pila banyarap yanga? Yes, I can help you. Oh, ngala banyarap yapi. Can I have some water, please? Ngala banyo sobha? Yes, here you are. Hot, shimhang ne. Let us go to the shop. Yang in ya let shadukan. How much is this? Katno kador jong kania? Its price is 100 rupees. Kador jong ka kalong shispa tingka. This kind of thing is expensive. Kani kajatyar karamdor. Let's search for a cheaper one. Yang in yawat dakaba khamtat. Pen shakalyang kadyang jongpi. Look at your left side. Look at your left side. This is more beautiful. This is more beautiful. Kaniye kakam itanan. Do you want to buy this one? Hatu pikwa ban thiet ya kaniya? Yes, ask him to pack this one. Hoot, ong ya u ban song ya kaniya. Let us go back home now. Yangin ya let pai no shayeng menta. First, peel out the skin. Ningkong ko shwaya ka snap. And now, cut it into small pieces. But menta odrit yau. Put inside the pot. Tap hapo ukiu. Pour water half a pot. Te shiteng kiu. Let it boil for half an hour. I bakantanam shiteng kenta. After that, it is cooked. Dadab nang ta kalai. Easiest method to cook. Karukam shet basuktam. But do I have to stir it? Tang bahatu ngan hap king yaka. No need to do it. Amdan kamban le yakata. I am feeling hungry now. Ngala sngotangan menta. Serve me a plate of rice. Katja yang asiplyang. Will you eat cold rice too? Pinbam japajaru. Yes, just a little. Oh, tangkendiat. Will you eat with a hand or a spoon? Pinbam dakakti ne dakashaman. I will eat by hand. Ngan bam dakakti. I feel more satisfied. Ngakam sngohun. Give me more soup. I shit sure yanga. I like the soup. Ngabang ya kasarwa. Okay, thank you. I have to go to work now. To kublay ngan hap le chajing tray menta. What are you going to teach today? Pimut banhikay ayu menta kasngi. I am still thinking about what should I teach. Ngadang perkat shaphang ka bangan hikay. Did you get any job till now? Pila yo kanu ka kam haduk menta? Yes, I got it. I am working in the market now. Hoot, ngala yo, ngatray hayo menta. That is an extremely good news. Kata kaday ka kubor kababaha shabapalan. Tell me, and you are working as a? Yatu nga, but pitray kumu? No, first you tell me whether you got a job too. Ningkong yatu shwamapi, let's say piru pila yokam. I know you won't like my job. Ngatib, pin sngotanat yaka kamjonga. Why are you saying that? A job is a job. Balay pi kumta. Kakam today kakamhi. In every job, we do have to give our time. Hakanu kakam nyahap hiban ay yakapor. In that way, every job is equal to any job. Hakatakador kanu kakam kairingkat dor. But remember, don't do any illegal jobs. Tang makan mabha, what le yaki kam babean. What is the time now? Katno bajimanta. It is 8 o'clock now. Lade prabajimanta. It is about to get dark. Kala jandum. Where are you going? Pidang letsha eh? Now this is the way to get back home. Mantaka ni kadai kalanti banlit pa shiyeng. With whom are you traveling at this moment? Pidang let jinglet but no hakani kapor. As usual, I prefer to travel alone. Kumbaman kapor nga kham sotanat ban let jinglet marway. I can move faster when I am alone. Ngala ban let comes that dangadon marway. In this way, I can travel to many places. Hakani karukom ngala ban let shashibun kijaka. Travel slow and enjoy yourself with the nature. Let suki but pinkmanya la die but kamariang. Use your time. Pendan kam ya kapor jang pi. Don't waste it. What ang penlena ka. Before it is too late. Shwa bandir no kapor. Start today. Sedang mentakas ni. Take me with you. Yalam yang amat pi. I want to travel too. Ngaru ngakwa lejing len. Be ready to face many unknown problems. Long la kloy, banating ko yaki jing bamla bantep. Will you stay at home? Hatu pensyong hayeng. Ngan ham letre. No, I have to go to work. At what time will you go? Kat no baji pinlen. I'll go at 8 in the morning. Ngan len pra baji man stamp. At what time will it be over? Kat no baji kan kod. It will be over at 5 o'clock. Kan kod hakapor san baji. Did you pack your lunch? Pi la song bam sngi. The food is provided by the employer. Kabam la penbiang da unong ay kam. Okay, do you get to eat till you are full? To, piyo ban bam hado banda kadang? Yes, eat as much as you can. Hot, bam kat badang la. But do not throw the food. Tangba, what ang bread ya kabam? Can I take it home? Ngala banra ya kasyayeng? What are you going to wear today? Pinpong daka ay mentakasngi. I am going to wear a short pant and a t-shirt. An pong daka patlun lingkon bat kasapti. Which color are you going to wear? Pinpong dakarong ayu. Blue pant, white t-shirt, and black shoes. Patlun rong beneng, sapti rong lie, bajuti rong yong. Put on your cap as it is very hot outside. Kup ya katupya namar kasyit bahasa bar. But I have applied oil on my hair. Tangba ngala dapta umpnyang ha usnyo. Not a problem. You can take bath later. Amlele pila mansum hadin. How many hours do I have to wear a cap? Katno kenta ngan hap an pong tupya. Only 2 hours is more than enough. Tang ar kenta kalakbo niya kabadan kam. Do you have sunglasses with you? Pidan yit kmat dasngi bat pi. I have it, but it is broken. Ngadan tang ba kalas niyo. Then I will buy a new one for you. Tiếng am thiệt đã cả bát mai na cả benta trong phi.